Good news coming in for Ghana and Africa at large, as leading innovator in Ghana and founder of the Kantanka Group, Dr. Kwadwo Safo Kantanka, has once again demonstrated his technological prowess after the recent launch of drones. The drone embodies cutting-edge technology and is designed for a range of uses, from surveillance, agriculture, delivery services to disaster management. The drone also has features such as long-range capability, high-definition cameras, and an eco-friendly power system, features that are rare to locally made drones in Africa. At the launch, industry experts hailed the innovation, describing it as a milestone in Ghana's technological journey and independence. Also unveiled at the launch were SUVs, water sprinklers, and a corn harvester. The Kantanka Group had previously launched groundbreaking innovations, including vehicles, machinery, and electronics specifically designed for the continent, positioning the group as a leader in technological advancement and self-reliance in Ghana and Africa as a whole. The drone is expected to be available for both public and private sector use later. On a personal take, this is a groundbreaking development in Ghana and in Africa as far as technology is concerned. This is the kind of venture that the Ghanaian government should invest in and also promote to its people. Government officials should be made to dive and drive in these locally made vehicles instead of importing the Toyota Land Cruisers and other foreign vehicles. These acts will go a long way to ensure the continent competes fairly with others in terms of technological advancement and also promote self-reliance. These advancements are revolutionizing the way we live and work, making transportation safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. My name is Nelson Kofi. This is still the News God. Kindly stick and stay with us as we bring you more updates. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on that post notifications bell. Thank you.